Hello guys, this is Mansi Janghel and you're watching Mansi.design. So today we are going to see how to make this easy beginners explainer video in After Effects. So let's get started. So first import your AI file inside After Effects and click OK. Then go to your layer and create solid. Name as BG as in background and click OK. Hide your layer 9 because we are going to animate this afterward. So first let's animate our triangle. Select your layer and press P on your keyboard to open position and move a few frames forward and keyframe it. Then move a few frames backward and move your triangle position to the outside of your scene and automatically it will keyframe it. Then select both of them and right click keyframe assistance and easy ease. Go to the graph editor and drag and select one point and move forward. The same way we are going to animate our first food and the rest of them, only we have to shift the layer so that it will fall one by one. Please subscribe to my channel, give a big thumbs up to my video and click the bell icon to get a notification every time I post the video. If you like my video, please follow my Instagram account for updates at mansi.design. Now let's animate our main text. First, take a rectangle shape layer, drag it to draw a shape, select your shape layer and drag it above your text layer. Then decrease your stroke width to 0 and select your fill box and choose a color. If you want to hide your shape layer for animating, then you can hide or otherwise don't. Rename as matte. Press enter on your keyboard to rename it. Select your text layer and press P on your keyboard, and we are going to animate the same as earlier. But here we are going to change the track matte option to alpha matte so that the text will slide in and reveal itself. Now let's animate the rest of the text. Select all your text and press P on your keyboard. Keyframe the current position. Now move to the start of the frames and move your text right side till the end of the scene and easy ease. And adjust your layers so that they should come one by one. Do the other side the same way. Now let's animate the opacity of the text. Select all text and click T on your keyboard to bring opacity. Animate it on one layer, then copy and paste it on others. Now it's time to animate our circles. Select one of them. Remember to make the anchor point on the center by clicking Y on the keyboard and make it to the center of the shape. Press S on the keyboard, keyframe it on 1 second 30 frames, then move to the start of the frame and bring it to 0 value. And easy ease. Animate the rest of the circle like this only. Now draw a circle, click Shift and drag to draw a uniform circle. Then go to the Effects and Presets panel and type Turbulence Displays and drag it to your circle layer. Then move a few frames forward and set the amount to -295 and keyframe it. Then come back to the start of the frame and set the amount to 2865. Then move a few frames forward and set it to 1904. Then animate the position and name it as effect. Then adjust the layer. Then add wave warp to your effect layer. Set the wave type to sine, wave height to -12, and width to around 84. And wave speed to 0.4. And you are done.